India's Omicron cases are surging consistently. It has jumped from 358 to 415 cases of just the Omicron variant across India. We're now being told over 50 new cases of Omicron variant reported in just 24 hours. Maharashtra continues to lead with the top of most Omicron cases. 108 cases now coming in from Maharashtra, closely followed by national capital Delhi, where the super mutant Omicron variant has touched 79 cases. Remember, these are just the top two cities, but there are definitely cases are increasing. Milan Sharma, with all the latest on that. Milan, while of course a dampened Christmas in so many ways, but one of the reasons is this, a surge in Omicron cases. What is happening? Tell us, why this sudden surge being reported across these cities?
Well, Pooja, certainly muted celebrations and muted Christmas along with New Year's. That's how it's going to be, because the count of the Omicron cases continues to surge, with Maharashtra once again at the top of the tally. Delhi is also not far behind. But the reason for the rise in cases is certainly the fact that Omicron as a variant is much more transmissible. It's been said by the World Health Organization as well as the Indian health authorities have agreed. And that is why the transmissibility factor of the Omicron has the potential to spread and infect more people than the Delta did. However, one sigh of relief right now is that people infected with Omicron, largely the samples that have been analyzed by the health ministry state that the infections are mild because most of the people were vaccinated, and hence 2 doses vaccines will definitely protect. But we also saw that the international travelers, when they were analyzed in India who tested positive with Omicron, 3 of them had even taken booster shots, but they were still infected with the Omicron variant. So all these are the concerns, but certainly
at least the only good news that we can take, Milan, isn't it, that most of these are mild cases for now, and I think that is what Milan Sharma has been tracking daily, these cases that are coming in and what's been happening globally.